We're trying for the first time veggie
chicken
nuggets. Naira's a little nervous. I'm actually excited. We went to the grocery store and we had a difficult time. You know, we've always ate meat. We had a difficult time. Neither one of us wanted any fresh fish, frozen poultry, fresh poultry, red meat. We just couldn't decide on anything. So I think we have been just eating it just because that's what we've known. And we were walking through the frozen aisle, and I think these are like Morning Glory. And then she saw these, and she was like, oh, it said buffalo chicken. We went down the regular frozen chicken aisle, and we didn't want it because we've been there before, and it's been times where we've gotten, you know, buffalo or barbecue chicken wings and made them. We throw it all away. You remember that one time we had those chicken wings?
It was like doughy, and then it was like breaded. So these are buffalo chicken nuggets, but it's healthy. I know that don't sound right to y'all, like, okay, buffalo.
It's veggie. It smells good. They're buffalo. Smells good. And we got us some ranch. Regular ranch. We're going to just try to be a lot more healthier. And we're going to eat some of them like this with bread and lettuce. But we're also just going to try some first just with some ranch.
Yeah. So, ready.
Tastes good. It's not too hot.
It's kind of sweet though.
That's probably a ranch.
So we got these from Kroger's. Try them out.
I get them again. I eat them again.
Definitely delicious.
And we're not eating any baby's chicken, so it's not bad. We can feel good about eating it, you know. If you want me to help you out.
It's like vegan food, basically.
Came through dripping.
Drip, drip,
Drip, drip. You probably don't need that other piece of lettuce. I put too much lettuce. This is doing too much.
Double chicken, double tripping, and double dripping. So, mine got fall out.
I put 2 pieces of lettuce. Now I'm getting a little tingle on my tongue.
I'm not yet. But this is going to be our page. We will do videos every
Now and then.
Yeah.